In this video, I introduce a ReACT agent, synergizing reasoning and acting in large language models. A reinforcement learning agent receives observation OT from his environment at time step T and takes action AT following a policy pi, where CT is context to the agent. Learning policy pi is challenged when the mapping from CT to AT is highly implicit. ReACT agent extends the action space from A to A caret, where L is a language space. An action AT caret in the language space referred to as a thought or reasoning trace doesn't affect the external environment, thus leading to no observation feedback, as shown here. A thought AT caret composes useful information by reasoning over the current context of CT and updates CT plus 1 to support future reasoning and acting. Here is a ReACT workflow. This large language model, this thought AT caret, and this action AT to environment and this observation. ReACT combines reasoning and acting with large language models to generate both reasoning traces and task-specific actions in an interleaved manner. Synergizing between reasoning traces that help the model induce, track, and update action plans as well as handle exceptions. And actions that gather additional information from external sources. Thought can be decomposed task goals and creates action plans, injects common sense knowledge relative to the task solving. It tracks the important parts from observations, tracks progress, and translates action plans, handles exceptions, and adjusts action plans. ReACT with Wikipedia Web API generates human-like task-solving trajectories. For example, this is a question input to large language model, and this trajectory from thought 1 to last action finish. ReACT uses a large language model as a reasoning engine to determine which actions to take and the inputs necessary to perform the action. After executing actions, the observation from environment can be fed back into the large language model to determine if more actions are needed or if it's okay to finish. There's an example of a ReACT agent. There's an input question, and this is a large language model. This is a sort of 1, 2, 3, 4 generated by large language model. And this is action, search, finish, and this observations from environment OB1, OB2, and OB3. This is up-to-date answer. If Wikipedia serves as the environment of a ReACT agent, 3 actions are defined. First, search returns the sentences from the corresponding entity wiki page. Second, lookup returns the sentence in the page containing the string. And finish provides the answer. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.